we'll talk about how can you turn off password on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to disable password protection. Just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here and you come here to online store, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list and you come here to password protection here. Then all you have to do now, just click in this sign or this color here. So in here you click here on pick up plan. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video here. So then all you have to do when it's going to open video, so it's going to take a time with us here. And here before that you have to here you have to pay that. You just click here on select started here. Then you come to this list and here you add your card information here. So when add here your payment methods here, when you follow all this here, so then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.